What if your days were numbered? Where would you go? I sometimes wish I was born in another time, a time of undiscovered frontiers, before hashtags and Tinder, where surfing was still a form of rebellion to the establishment, an age of pioneers, where marriage was sacred and friendship was for life. We are ever more connected, but so desperately out of touch. I fear we are losing our humanity to a false, virtual life. Earn, consume, spend, wake up, unplug. None of us get out of here alive anyway. I decided to go for a drive, just me and my van, to embrace being alone, to embrace this shared, temporary experience. I'm not sure how long I will drive for, a month, maybe more. Perhaps the romance of times gone by is still alive in a place like this, along the beaten coast of the Emerald Isle, a stark contrast to the barren orange dunes of Namibia, where I come from. But strangely enough, the only two places that have ever truly captured my heart, like a tragic love affair. I constantly feel homesick for one or the other. This is Ireland. I hate cliches, but maybe the joy really is in the journey. Maybe it comes even sooner than that. Maybe the joy is in the moment, and as a moment passes as soon as it has arrived, we must learn to treasure every single precious one we are blessed with. When last did you cry of laughter, hug a loved one just a little bit longer, play like a child or dance like a fool? Nothing in life is under control. Let it go, reflect, breathe. What a wonderful adventure it can all be if we take the long way around instead of the shortcut. Only with hard work does the reward truly have value. And if no one dances to your tune, then dance alone. If my days were numbered, I would take a van to Ireland and follow the coast in search of waves. And if no one wanted to join me, I would go alone. And I would fish in the rivers and swim in the sea. I would listen to the old songs and speak to the fishermen. I would dance like a fool and laugh until I cried. I would live every moment with passion and purpose and transport myself back to a time before hashtags and Tinder.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold